Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or 5Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I'm going to be talking about the U.S. Natural Gas Fund ETF. The Natural Gas Fund did gap up on the session and went up by around a single percentage point, 1 to 2%. And basically this is driven by the falling dollar. Um, but I still think that over the longer term, it's best to assume that this recent rally is going to be temporary. I think that it did pierce that that trend line right there, and it still looks like a double topping pattern to me, personally. And the thing that kind of sticks out to me more than anything else is the fact that the U.S. Natural Gas Fund wasn't able to gap right back above this trend line even after the dollar index was able to pull back by 2%. It is a very, it's a currency-driven marketplace, and you know, that was the opportunity for natural gas to go ahead and gap above that that trend line and head much higher. Now that the trade has already been done, now that all the money has already been made, at this point, I think the dollar is going to recover, and because the dollar is going to recover, I think natural gas will most likely fall on Tuesday. And because I think the natural gas market will fall on Tuesday, I think it's a very good idea in general to anticipate declines in natural gas and anticipate it to fall at least down to that 20 and 50-day moving average over the short term. Most stocks do revert back to that 20-day, 50-day moving average, so it's a good idea just to sit back and wait and see, and see, and basically anticipate declines and wait for that 20 and 50-day moving average for a reasonable bounce or an exit on your short setup for the natural gas market. So take care, folks, and I hope you guys have a wonderful trading session. Oh, and just one more thing that I forgot to mention. The high volume. This high volume in the recent U.S. Natural Gas Fund, this high volume indicates that this recent move is also very temporary. Because it's temporary, it's just another thing that comes to mind. That kind of says to me that this rally is temporary. And it's basically a good idea to sit back and wait for this value of natural gas to fall.